Hi everyone, this is Sinyoung from More Beauty. Make sure your skin is lubricated and your Gua Sha tool is clean. If your skin is oily, especially during the hot, humid season, you can try Gua Sha with just water on your skin. Let's begin. We're going to use this edge for your forehead. Light to medium pressure like this. Sweep up and out and wiggle like so. 2 more. Sweep up and out. Great for forehead lines and wrinkles and for headache relief. 1 more. Release. Switch. Same thing. Two more. Last one. Release. Now we're going to use this edge for your eyes, like this. Light to medium pressure, like so. And wiggling to release tension here. Releasing the frown lines. And sweep up and wiggle on the edge of your hairline, like so. 2 more. Light to medium pressure. And sweep up to your hairline and wiggle. 1 more. Sweeping up. And release. Now we're going to use this edge for your eye area, so please be gentle. Light, gentle pressure as you sweep up like this to your temples. Release. 2 more, same thing like this. Sweep all the way up gently to your temples. Like this. Great for your under eye, crow's feet, and upper eye as well. And 1 more, like this. Sweep all the way up to the edge of your temples, like so. And release. Switch, same thing. Gently, like this. Light pressure as you sweep up to your temples, like this. And 2 more, like so. Sweep gently all the way up. And breathe. 1 more. Great for under eye puffiness and also for hooded eyes. And release. We're going to use this edge for your nose and upper cheek, like this. Light to medium pressure, sweep all the way up, like this, to the edge. And 2 more, same thing. Great for sinus congestion and lifting up your upper cheeks. And 1 more. Sweep all the way, like so, to the edge. And release. Switch, same thing. Sweep from the side of your nose like this, and all the way to the edge of your face, and wiggle. 2 more. One more. Like this. And release. Now we're going to use that same edge for your lower face. All the way up and wiggle. Two more. All the way up and wiggle. Great for mouth lines, marionette, lip corners, and smile lines. One more. And release. Switch, same thing. All the way up. Two more. All the way up to the edge and wiggle. And last one. All the way up and wiggle. Release. Now we're going to use this edge for your jawline and masseters. Like this. And apply acupressure like so. And two more. Adjust pressure as needed. Last one. You can be a little tender here, so be gentle with yourself. Release. Switch, same thing. Two more. It can be very tight here. Last one. Great for TMJ pain relief. And release. Now we're going to use this edge for your neck and under chin. Light, gentle pressure. And wiggle on your under chin here. Great for double chin concerns. Two more. Last one. Release. Switch, same thing. Two more. And giving you a nice neck lift here. Last one. And release. Now we're going to use this edge for lymphatic drainage. Sweep down to your collarbone and wiggle. And down like so. Two more. Wiggling on your collarbone and sweep down. Last one. Switch, Same thing. Wiggle on your collarbone and sweep down. 2 more. Last one. Release. We're going to use this edge for your chest. Light to medium pressure. Sweep up and down like so. 2 more. Great for chest lines and wrinkles and for overall relaxation. Last one. Switch, same thing. Sweep up and down. 2 more. Up and down. Last one. Release. For optimal results, drink a full glass of water after your Gua Sha facial massage. Cheers to health. I always get questions about what Gua Sha tools I use and recommend. As some of you know, we used to sell our L'Amour Beauty Gua Sha tools. And so many of you have been asking us to sell our products again. So we're excited to let you know that we will be relaunching soon. We can't wait for you to experience our products. Please stay tuned and thank you as always for your love, support, and understanding.